Therefore, we will use this one as our, ang title natin ay Office Supplies. Ayan, Office Supplies tayo. And 1,500 ang biniling mga supplies. Credit, cash, ayan, same amount, 1,500 pesos. Then, lagyan natin to record the supplies bought on cash. Bought on cash. Next po, Mr. Clark, continue.
Number
March.
7.
Okay.
Buy detergent, stain remover, dry cleaners fluid, boom, brushes, and rugs for 18,000 cash.
Okay. So, sa tingin mo, what could be the possible title for this one? Buys detergent. Ito yung sinabi ko nung last time, mga tools to, mga agents na panglinis. Therefore, these are considered as asset muna in the business. So, we will use the title what? Ano sa tingin mo yung pwede nating title, Mr. Clark? Sige po, try lang dyan.
Cherbot na ano, wait lang.
Sige po, yan, ito, yung mga detergent, mga stain remover. Ano yung parang pwede nating pang-generalize na title dito sa mga to? These are mga cleaning, right? Mr. Clark, mga panglinis siya. Ayan. Therefore, gamitin natin pwede yan. Sige, cleaning. Tama, Mr. Clark, cleaning supplies. So, supplies din yung gagamitin yan. So, ganyan. So, cleaning supplies is also an asset. Ayan. Nagiging expense to kapag gamit na or meron nang naibawas out of this total value ng cleaning supplies. Ay, magkano yung ating amount sa cleaning supplies? Okay. We have 18,000 pesos. Okay. Then, ang sabi, minention naman din dyan, tama Mr. Clark, na ang payment ay through cash, therefore credit cash. Same amount, 18,000 pesos. Okay. To record the cleaning supplies bought through cash. Ayan. Explain lang natin kung paano or ano yung event nangyari sa date na yan. Sige po. Thank you, Mr. Clark. Next. Sinong next? Ayan. Thank you din, Mr. JB. Sinong next, Mr. Clark?
Kasi kasakop na lang po.
Okay. Mr. Carl?
Sir, anong date po?
Date, yung next natin after 7, we have 9. 9 muna po.
Buys washing machines from XYL Appliances for 250,000, paying 100,000 with the balance on account. Estimated useful life of the...
Ayan. Hindi, okay na yan, naputol eh. Estimated useful life of the machine. Ayan. Of the machine yan. Ayan. So hanggang dyan lang tayo. Buys washing machine daw. Washing machine from XYL Appliances worth 250,000 pesos. Therefore, we will use the title. Yan. Same then, machinery and equipment. Since the business is a laundry shop, ayan, bumili sila ng kanilang machine washing machine for business, and the total amount ng washing machine ay 250,000 pesos. Okay? Credit what? There are two modes of payment. Two terms ng payment. Tama po? Through cash and through account. Tama? Yung account dun yun sa balance class ha. Yung account dun yun sa balance. Okay, di ba nilalagay natin on the credit side yung kanyang term or mode of payment. Okay. So, the most liquid again will be the first one to be encoded, which is cash. Magkano yung cash? It's Mr. Carl, magkano yung ating cash?
200,000.
Okay, correct. So, lalagay natin 100,000 pesos. Ayan po, lagyan natin. And then, meron pa tayong isa pang payment, which is the balance. Kailangan maging balance yan. So, pag titingnan nyo, 250,000 than 100,000 pesos, hindi pa po balance. Therefore, meron pa tayong amount para ma-balance. Yes.
25,000 lang yun. Sure, hindi
Ay,
po.
sorry. Okay, okay. Thank you, thank you. 250,000. Ayan, oo nga. Kasi hindi yan magbabalance. Thank you. Sir Kevin, next. Ano pa po yung ating second mode of payment? Through cash and through what, Mr. Carl? Yan, yun yung balance. Yun yung balance na sinasabi dito. Ayan. Wait. Balance on account. Therefore, anong title, Mr. Carl? Yung title natin, Mr. Carl, yung second mode will be accounts. Yun din yun. Accounts receivable. Ayan. So, ganito siya, class ha. Explain ko lang to para maintindihan nyo lalo. Okay, bumili si business ng kanilang machine. Washing machine. Additional machine, panglaba. Okay, panglaba. Okay. Ang worth nun ay 250,000 pesos. Okay? Explain ko kung bakit ganito yung mga kanyang entries and bakit ganito yung kanilang form ng entries. So, 250,000 pesos, always place it on the debit side kasi ito, pag naglalagay tayo sa debit side, again, classes are value received. Okay? Value received sa debit side. Value parted with naman sa credit side. Okay. Cash, 100,000 pesos kasi naka-indicate po sa ating transaction na mayroong 100,000 pesos payment na si business sa machine. May down payment na siya, 100,000 pesos. Now, may isa pa siyang title. Okay? Accounts receivable. Ano? Accounts payable. Oo nga, sorry. Accounts payable. Okay. Thank you. Nalito po. Accounts payable. Thank you, Mr. Kevin. Accounts payable. The other or the balance ng 250,000 pesos, worth ito, 250, nagbayad siya ng 100,000 pesos. Therefore, meron pa siyang obligation or payables to other parties amounting to 150,000 pesos. This makes the amount on the debit and the credit equal or balance, right? 250,000, 100,000 plus 150, 250,000 pesos. Dalawa kasi yung kanyang mode of payment or term ng kanyang payment through cash and through account. Ayan po. Equal na sila. To record the machine bought through cash and account. Ayan po. Okay, accounts payable kapag yung business, on the business perspective or on the business point of view, siya yung may babayaran. Okay, accounts payable. On the other hand, okay, kapag accounts receivable naman, the business will be receiving an amount. Kaya magkaiba po ang accounts payable sa accounts receivable. Okay. Sige po, continue, Mr. Carl.
March 11 po.
11 na tayo.
Service rendered on cash basis amount to 84,000.
Okay. So, services rendered naman on cash na. Okay, on cash. Basis amounting to 84,000 pesos. Therefore, meron ng cash collections ang business. Magkano yung cash collections, Mr. Carl? This is
84,000.
okay, correct. It's 80. Yan, dito yan. So, 84,000 pesos. And then the cash received is from the services rendered. Therefore, service income yung ating credit entry. 84,000 pesos. Lagay natin to record the collections from the service rendered. Services rendered. Ayan. Okay, nakuha ba class kung paano siya naging ganito? Ayan. Okay, based kasi sa transaction, okay, services rendered on cash basis amounting to 84,000. Therefore, meron ng receivables, meron ng collections through the service they render to their clients. Okay, increase cash, place it on debit side, 84,000 pesos. Service income, revenue will increase on the credit side, 84,000 pesos. Next, Mr. Carl, classmate mo po.
Sir, si Christian po.
Okay, Christian. March. Wala, si Mr. Christian. Mr. Christian, are you there?
How did you know that?
Okay, sige po. Next.
Sir, number 12 na. Anong number?
13.
Sir, pay salaries and wages for 10,000 pesos.
Pay salaries and wages for 30,000 pesos. Okay, ano po yung entries?
Salaries and wages, 30,000 pesos.
Salaries and kumakain si Mr. Christian. Salaries, these are expenses, right? Or expense, salaries and wages expense. And then, credit what?
Cash po.
Okay, credit, cash, 30,000 pesos. 306. Okay, lagyan natin ng explanation, Mr. Christian, to record.
To record the payment of cash.
The payment of salaries through cash. Sir Christian, next pa. One more.
Sir Gabriel Ponce po.
Hindi po po. Isa pa po.
Hindi pa po.
November, March 17 muna.
Si
March
wait lang.
17.
Si March 17, power expense.
Okay. Sabi, pays light and power bills for 17,000 pesos. What could
Kasunod,
be the
cash po.
entries? Ano yung debit natin? Debit entry?
Light and power expenses po.
Okay. And that is utilities. Expense din yan. Okay. We have 17,000 pesos. And then cash. Cash also 17,000 pesos. Lagyan natin ng explanation, Mr. Christian, to record.
The payment of utilities through cash po.
Okay, this time, specify natin na this is for the light and power.
Tawag na po ba, Chair?
Again, yes, opo, si Mr. Ponce next. Ayan, thank you, Mr. Christian, to record the payment of light and power through cash. Ayan. Next, Mr. Gabriel. March, next natin will be 19. March 19. Kindly unmute, Mr. Gabriel. Si Mr. Gabriel sa kanyang po. Mr. Lance muna. Okay, sige. Mr. Lance muna. 19. Mr. Lance, kindly read.
Services rendered on charge basis amount to 45,000.
Okay, sabi dito, services rendered on charge basis naman amount to 45,000 pesos. Okay, what could be the entries? Mr. Lance, what could be the possible entries, debit and credit entries? Services rendered on charge basis. So yan yung mga hint para malaman nyo na hindi cash yung term of payment. Okay? Kasi charge basis. Credit, yung mga title na ganyan, mga words, sorry, charge, account, at saka credit. Ayan, pare-parehas yan. Charge, account, credit. Anong entries natin, Mr. Lance? Sige po, try natin. Charge basis amount. And these are accounts. Lagay natin. On our debit, we have accounts. And these are receivables. Okay, receivable. Ayan, accounts receivable. Magkano yun ulit, Mr. Lance? We have
45,000 po.
ayan, 45,000 pesos. And syempre, this accounts receivable I receive through the service rendered. Therefore, the credit entry would be service income. So, para siyang parehas ng 11. Ito, 11. Okay? Yung cash na receive ay through service. Okay? Ito naman, on account pa. Okay? Hindi pa siya marireceive ng business. Therefore, the receivable is an indicator na meron pang collections. Okay? Soon, yung business. Okay? Place it on the side wherein kung saan siya nag-i-increase. It is on the debit side. Okay. Cash yung na-receive ng business, na-receive niya na, kaya cash yung nilagay natin dito, 84,000 pesos. Dito, hindi pa nare-receive. Okay? Wala pang receivables. Wala pang collections, rather. Okay? Soon to be received pa lang. Soon to be received. Kaya accounts receivable kasi nakalagay charge. Kapag charge ang nakikita nyo again, it is, ang title should be account. Okay? 45,000 pesos. Okay, lagyan natin ng explanation. Ayan, try Mr. Lance. Lagyan natin ng explanation. Kuha ka lang ng explanation on that same day. Yung nakalagay din dyan. On the event happened. To record the okay, sige. To record the charge, amount from the services rendered. Ayan. Sige po. Continue, Mr. Lance. 23. Sige.
Collects 20,000 from clients billed in March 19.
Okay, yan. Ito na. So, meron na siyang collections. Therefore, mag-i-increase na yung kanyang cash. Okay, magkano yun? It's 23,000. 20,000 pala.
20,000 po.
20,000 pesos and wait lang po. Okay. Credit. Accounts. So, 20,000 pesos. And then, lagyan na natin to record the collections received from to record the collections received from the clients. On March, sagyan natin. March 19 daw. Sige po, Mr. Lance, thank you. Sinong next? 29 and 31. Mr. Lance, sinong gusto mong next?
Sure, natawag na po ba si Ana?
Hindi pa po.
So, si Ana na lang po.
Miss Ana, kindly unmute.
Sure, can you hear me po?
Yes po.
Sure, March 29,
29.
Madison Oro withdraws A cash of 10,000 from the business.
Okay, so what do you think could be the possible entries, Mad, if the owner withdraws a cash from the business? Miss Anna?
Sure, wait lang, sure, medyo naglalag po.
Sige po. So, opposite naman ito kapag mayroong investment class. Opposite naman ng investment yung withdrawal. Okay, di ba? Investment, naglalagay siya ng something in the business, nag-i-invest siya, naglalagay siya ng asset. On this naman, transaction, mayroong withdrawal, therefore, there is what? Reduction sa asset. Reduction sa equity. So, debit what, Miss Anna? Debit okay, yung normal balance again ng equity is on the right side, on the credit side, kapag merong increase ng amount. On the other hand, kapag meron namang withdrawal, just like this one, mayroong decrease. It should be withdrawal. Magkano yung amount natin sa withdrawal, Miss Anna?
10,000 po.
Okay, 10,000. And then also, meron din, syempre, decrease ng cash. Okay, withdrawal nga eh. Nag-withdraw siya ng cash. Okay, decrease cash. Okay, same amount yan, 10,000 pesos. Okay, ganyan po yung dalawang entries kapag merong withdrawal ng cash ang business. Ang owner, pwede rin. Kapag, let's say, example or question, pwede bang mag-withdraw ng hindi cash ang owner? Hindi cash yung kanyang withdraw in the business. Pwede ba yon? Yes, pwede po. Pwede siyang mag-withdraw or mag-pull out ng any asset na ininvest niya in the business. Example, the owner withdraw his vehicle, kunyari ganon, his or her property in the business. Therefore, hindi cash yung ating credit entry, it could be that possible account. Pwede itong vehicle, ito po. Pwede itong vehicle, pwedeng property, plant, or equipment. Ayan, ganon. So, it is possible. So, lagyan natin ng explanation, Miss Anna, to record. Anna, lagyan natin po ng explanation to record. To record what?
You hear
Again, to record. Miss Anna. Ayan. So, for the explanation again, kukuha lang kayo doon sa exact event happen sa transaction to record the owner's withdrawal of cash in the system. Sige, continue, Miss Anna. March 31.
Sure. Can you hear me po?
Yes po, yes.
Water amount 18,000 paid.
So water bills amounting to 18,000 are paid. So water bill, ito naman yung isa. So kanina, light and power, yung kanilang payment, kanilang babayaran. This time naman ay water payment. So ganun din siya, utilities, expense, yung debit entry, and how much? 18,000 pesos. 18,000 pesos. And then this is through cash then 18,000 pesos. And then yung explanation natin for this one to record the payment of water bill through cash. Ayan po. So this makes our journal entries complete. Complete na from March 1st down to March 31. So, move na tayo sa posting. Ayan. Okay. So, kailangan yata may screenshot ko na siya para makapag-post tayo. Pwede naman siya litan. Ayan. Tapos, i-zoom na. Wait lang sa wait. Ano ba siya ng maliit? Versus bakit pala niya? Wait lang class, hindi ko siya maayos. Sige, class. Wait, let me stop.